Quilt Nation Quilt Marine here. So, Ryan Burley served in the Air Force. He's never been wrapped by a quilt. And Quilts of Valor usually does this, but I do it for my friends. And this is a quilt for Ryan's service to the Air Force. Come on, wife. Put that around the shoulder. Yeah, bro. I love you, man. I love you, bro.
Thank you.
Thanks for your service, man. I know, man. I know, bro. I know.
Oh,
I've had it too, man. I know how it feels, bro.
thank you.
Yeah, brother. Yeah. You earned it, bro. You earned it.
Thank you.
Yeah, man. Yeah, so look, right here in the tag, Quilt Marine 2025 Ryan. Just a long last where it was made, so goofy fucks don't try to figure out where it's made.
Gotcha.
It's all you, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, bro.
Oh, you knew about this.
Yeah.
You suck.
It's all yours, man.
That is amazing.
Yeah, bro. I love you, man.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Oh,
bro.
Mark.
Yeah, bro.
Oh.
Bro, I broke down. I almost jumped out of a window when I got mine. Thanks, man. Appreciate it, buddy. Yeah.